We have 3 monkeys here in a burping contest.
No, it's not a contest. Okay.
Okay, it's not a contest. It's just a burping exposition. Exhibit. All right, go. Okay, that was her grandmother did that. And if anyone throws up, the game's over.
I can't do it. Everybody burp. Okay.
Olivia's fueling up right now.
Give some of that, Olivia.
There she is. She's fueling up. Okay, they're fueling.
I need some.
Olivia's checking the wind temperature and
Yeah, wind temperature. Snicky,
Ready?
are you ready?
Do it before, right before we start recording. Hold it.
I'm not hearing anything.
don't do it as
Pretty-
fast. Just see if you
Pretty weak.
take a really big one.
Ooh,
Wow.
pretty weak. Pretty weak. Oh boy. I think the spectators are doing more than the.
We're doing better
And
than
the-
you guys.
Come on, Olivia. Remember when...
Come on, Olivia. What was that, Olivia?
This is a wonderful Easter Sunday.
It's building up.
The one laughs like a hyena.
This is a message.
Oh,
Oh my God.
pretty good.
Oh God.
Oh, yeah, spectators are joining in now.
Did you hear me?